Lugula, Mama Dele, 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 Lugula.
We are all familiar with elephants, or we believe we are, but often that familiarity is a misleading one, an unexamined collection of images reflecting the tame and protected circumstances of zoos and popular cartoons. We have grown accustomed to the bigness of the elephant kept small. We know the intelligence of the elephant trained to do stupid things, but to see an elephant, a real elephant, is to see a creature who is not safe, not comforting, not friendly, not limited or restrained. It is to see an intelligent beast, at once sympathetically human-like and yet utterly removed and supremely indifferent, who effortlessly defies our stereotypes, who easily challenges our automatic sense of entitlement and superiority, and who should, indeed, caution us, tell us to be careful, keep still, and have respect.